The elevated single leg bridge exercise is a great exercise for getting the glutes and the hamstrings and the posterior chain working. Essentially, it's lying on the ground, foot on a bench, and then extending through a single leg up to the top of the movement. Few keys with this one. There should be a straight line between the knee, the hip, and the shoulder at the top of the movement. It's also vitally important that you posteriorly tilt the pelvis before you lift and try and maintain this throughout the lift to make sure that you don't get back pain when you're doing this exercise. If you're not sure how to do a posterior tilt, make sure that you go onto YouTube or Google and have a look and make sure you can do this prior to doing this exercise. And we also want to make sure we push through the heel of the foot on the bench so that we're really activating through the hamstrings and the glutes of the leg. And lastly, control the descent to the ground. Don't flop to the floor. This is going to mean that the hamstrings are under more tension through the movement and get stronger as a result. If this movement's too hard, you could always do a double leg version of this lift. And for more exercises on ACL rehabilitation and pain in the knee, check out this video here.